Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm pulling an invisible rope around my neck. Anyway, I'm having a great day today. I hope you are as well. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would seriously appreciate it. It helps me help you know more things about my makeup collection. Today is one from the vaults. What does that mean? It's a palette that I haven't used in a while that's absolutely fantastic by a great company, and it is the Cancer palette by the Zodiac Cosmetics. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Look at that iridescent gold. But that is nice, but I bet you'd like to see it swatched, wouldn't you? Magic of swatches. And you can see there's the one that's like my skin, and then some iridescence, and then it's very pigmented, and it is a beautiful, beautiful palette, and I can't wait to make a big, warm, shiny mess on my face. How's that different from any other day? Sometimes it's cool toned. Sometimes it's neutral. But anyway, this is part of a Zodiac collection, and I got this last year, and just look at that cover work. It's just stunning. I mean, who wouldn't want to look like her, really? And you can find them at thezodiaccosmetics.com. And let's get in here and make something pretty happen. I haven't used it in a long time, but it doesn't mean that it's not time to bring it out again, because the thing is, I have a pretty great, eyeshadow palette collection, but there's always something that could be brought back just for old time's sake. And this one I'm bringing back because it was just so stunning that, once was just not enough. Don't stop till you get enough. Don't stop till you get enough. Don't stop now. All right, I am going to start in the crease with Destiny. A little bit of kick up, but it is a little yellowy flesh tone, like my flesh tone. And that looks pretty good. Doesn't look like anything, really. Honestly, Rhonda, it doesn't look like you did a damn thing. What kind of accent was that? I don't know. It's like an amalgamation. Ooh, look, a big 50-cent word of different stuff. I don't know. Do I have to know, or do I just need to look cute? I think I'm going to go for the cute part. I'm going to start with... Can I get it closer to my face to make it... Oh, look, you can see my hair reflected. That's cool. I'm going to start in the corner with Love, this lavender color. Seems like a shimmer. It is a shimmer. That looks very pretty, and it's got a nice little shimmer to it. And you can see the highlighter that is under my foundation. And if you wonder why I always have this good glow, it's because I use one of Danessa Myricks' illuminating veils, and this one is in Serenity, and I showed you how I did that in my Get Ready With Me video this week. So in case you missed that, or you just didn't stick around for the whole video, now you know exactly how that happened. And let me just... But that's just a very, very pretty shimmery lavender. And what else shall we do? To go from there, let's do a matte. Let's do Delicate. Oh, that's showing up nice. That looks pretty. I'm loving that. Let's do, I want to do like a little, like there's a couple of really nice pale shimmers up here. I'm going to go into this one called Faith and see how this looks on my inner corner. It's got kind of a duochrome to it. It looks good. Oh, it's so nice. And just a little more. I wish you could tell this, see the duochrome on camera like I can in person. In person, it's got like a blue, like a light blue, little green shift to it. But it looks beautiful right there so far. And let's do something a little more dramatic on the outer corner. Should I go dark? Or should I go bright? I think you're right. Let's go dark. Look at that, it just coats the brush so nicely. That is really beautiful. I'm not going to go much more crazy with that because it's super pigmented. I'm going in so lightly. So pretty. This palette is so good. I think I'm gonna brush it out a little more over here. Oh, it's so much to soften. All right, let's do liner and lashes and I'll be right back. Lashes and liner on. So beautiful. I love this look. It is so warm and inviting. It's got a little depth to it. Now, what shall I do for the lips? Something dark? Something medium? It's a good question. Medium. This is Super Stay Matte Ink, one of my favorites, in number 80, Ruler. And that looks really beautiful, and I'm super excited about this look. I hope you've enjoyed this blast from my past, the Cancer palette from Zodiac Cosmetics. I feel absolutely beautiful. I hope you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon.